Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week I have brought two exciting job opportunities for freshers in data analytics field. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss our regular job updates for both freshers and experienced professionals. A quick reality check here. Nearly 80% of your viewers watch our video but do not subscribe. It takes a lot of effort to verify each job opening and bring only genuine job opportunities for you, so your support really matters. Also, stay till the end of the video because the second opportunity is a full-time remote job with no major requirements and no internship or trainee clause. So let us begin with the first opportunity. Our first opening is for the role of intern at Rentomojo. Rentomojo is a company that provides furniture on rent to individuals and businesses. This model helps customers avoid heavy upfront cost and capital investments on furnishing. Now let us go to the career page. You will see a role named as Data Analyst Intern. This is an in-office role based out in Bengaluru and it is exclusively for freshers. Let us quickly check the important part and must-have skills. You should have proficiency in SQL, MongoDB and AWS Athena, reporting experience using Google Sheets, basic understanding of AWS data pipeline, knowledge of business KPIs, and strong skills in Excel and BI tools. If you have any exposure to supply chain analytics, that would be a big advantage for you. You can always learn the supply chain analytics from our Supply Chain Mastery for Data Analyst course. The link to the course is in the description. Once you are done reviewing, just click on apply and submit your details after watching this entire video. Now let us move to the second opportunity. This one is from Cision. They provide a global platform that helps PR, communications and marketing teams improve their efficiency. Go through the job responsibilities on their career page. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. Now let us check the required qualifications. It clearly states that candidates with a bachelor's degree can apply. So you must be proficient in Excel, PowerPoint and fluent in English communication, and that's it. This is a great opportunity for freshers. If you found these opportunities helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep bringing verified job openings for you every week. The application link to each job opportunity is in the description of this video. Do share your feedback in the comment section and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.